Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to convert your audio file into a text format so that you can easily get the text from the audio file. Here you can go and type audio to text converter online. Get different websites. So the first website I want to try. Now we can select the audio file, this one, and it is uploading. Now you can select the language. So by default English, that's good. After that click here start transcription. Now we need to create a free account. Select your Gmail account, scroll down and click here continue button. After that click here, and here you can see it's done. I can scroll down. All the text is available. You can save this file into your laptop. After that you can open this file. You will get all the text available here. That's good.